In today's video, we are going to look at the chapter acid, bases, salts. Okay, and actually, this actually class is going to give you a concept about acid, bases, and salts. Okay, the first question. Hello. The first question. The chapter name is acid, ACID, right? Then bases and salts, right? So the primary knowledge, hello, of what is acid. What do you think acids are? There are different kinds of acids. The acids produced in our body are called lactic acid, right? LACTIC, right? Lactic acid. Hello, understood? So all I can say is, apart from the strong acids in our stomach, human bodies are known to produce lactic acid. Right? Sometimes it causes muscle cramps, right? What is the reason? Why do we have muscle cramps? Why is it?
Due to the formation of lactic acid.
Due to the formation of lactic acid. Is that clear? So we have got a very clear idea. If you look at acid, so what does it do actually? Acid, if you look at the, we can form one definition of acids, right? What do you think can be the definition of acid? What we can say about acid is, acid is a hydrogen. What is acid? Acid is a hydrogen. What?
Hydrogen substance.
Is hydrogen containing substance. Acid is, what is acid?
Acid is a hydrogen.
Acid is a hydrogen containing substance. What is acid? Acid is a hydrogen containing substance. Clear? That is capable of donating. That is capable of donating. That is capable of donating what? A proton, right? A proton. Proton means hydrogen ion, right? What is proton? Hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion to another substance. SUBSTANCE. Is that clear? So you have got the definition of what is acid. What is acid? acid is a hydrogen substance, hydrogen containing substance that is capable of donating a proton, that is hydrogen ion, to another substance, right? Am I clear? Any problem?
No.
Okay. You know, acidic solution, if you look at what can acidic solution do, acidic solution, ACIDIC, acidic solution, SOLUTION, acidic solution can turn, acidic solution can turn a blue litmus, hello, why don't you see? Where is your copy? You need to tell whether I am right or not. Acidic solution can turn a blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper, due to a presence of acid, you know what happened? The cause of our pain, understood? It is because the red colored red. What is the color of our blood?
Red.
Understood? You know, acidic solution can turn a blue litmus paper into red. Right? And what are the names? If you are told to give the chemical names of acids, we can call them HCl. Understood? Then then we can say HNO3, right? HNO3. Then then we can write H2SO4, right? H2SO4. Clear? Understood? Clear? Okay. Now let's come to what is base. You must have a question. So if you are asked a question like, what do you think base are? Bases are chemical substances, right? What is base? Bases are chemical substance, right? Then that are soluble in water, right? What is this? Are you getting me? My point?
Yes.
That have a bitter taste. Bases are chemical substances that have a bitter taste, right? Are soapy to touch, and soapy to touch and
And turn red litmus blue into
Oh.
blue.
and it can turn red litmus into blue, right? And now I want to tell you. So first look at the definition of bases. If you are asked what are bases, what are bases? You can say BASES. Bases are chemical substances. Chemical substances, right? Bases are chemical substances that have a bitter taste, right? That have a bitter taste, are soapy, SOAPY, soapy to touch, right? Soapy to touch and can turn See, is it exactly what is written?
Yes, yes.
And can turn
And turn.
and turns blue litmus paper into red, red litmus paper into blue, and turns, right, a red litmus into litmus paper or litmus into red, right? Even if you write litmus into red, litmus into red,
Blue.
that is exactly
Yes.
what I mean to say. Red litmus can be turned into blue. Got it? I have already written. I wanted to see whether you are attentive to what I am saying or not. Whether you are all ears or not. This is exactly what when I am writing here, red litmus
Into blue.
into blue, or blue litmus, actually acid can turn, acidic solution can turn, a blue litmus paper into red, and basic solution can turn a
Red.
red litmus into blue. Understood? Basic solution. I had better write basic solution, BASIC. Basic solution can turn a red litmus into blue. Understood? You got? Any problem? Now let us understand what are alkalis. You know alkalis? ALKALIS, right? Am I right or not?
Yes.
What are alkalis actually? Bases that are soluble in water are
Bases which is soluble in water are called alkalis.
what is the spelling of alkalis? What are alkalis? Bases that are soluble in water are alkalis. ALKALIS. Have you seen?
Yes.
Alkalis. Example of alkalis are KOH, potassium. KOH. Understood? Potassium hydroxide. Is it potassium hydroxide?
Yes.
Or can't you say Na, sodium hydroxide? Huh? NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Okay. Now we have to see what are the chemical names of bases. Understood? Chemical names of bases are what? NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide. Clear? Now we must look at salt. Hello. What are salts? SALTS. What are salts? If you are asked this question, what are salts? Salts are what are salt? Salts are produced salts are produced due to reaction between acid and base. Understood? Acid and bases. Say salts are produced due to reaction between acid and bases. If you look at the chemical properties of this aloe, if you look at the chemical properties, suppose in this jar, this is a jar of acid. Hello, acid, a jar of acid. This one, ACID, acid. And here it's a jar of, or it's a a jar containing hello, base, BAS. So if you pour these two, if they go hello, if they are mixed, understood, if there is reaction between acid and base, what will produce? Hello, this plus this, if you mix them, what will happen? The result will be the production of what? Salt and water. Understood? Due to reaction between bases and acids, what do you get? Salt and water. Have I cleared your doubt? So what is the chemical name of salt? Is NaCl, sodium chloride. So my dear student, as this is my first class on chemistry chapter, acid, bases and salts, I think I have given you the primary concept of acid, bases, alkalis and salts. I hope you have understood the what is base, what is acid, what is base, what is alkalis and what is salt, and how they get formed, right? Now my request is, if you have really liked my class, please don't forget to give me a like, and if you really love my class, I think you must not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Bye.